Today I learned how to insert image file in AutoCAD. Then I go to Insert Final, left click in Raster Image Reference, left click because my image file is in JPG. And I click Lohari to push it and then open. Then OK. An image file came into AutoCAD. Then I check the scale of the image file. Go to dimension in linear. Here the scale in the map shows to this distance should be 500 meter. Type in AutoCAD and this distance is shown 2.4517. Then I change the scale of the image in AutoCAD by use of scale command. Select the base point. Base point is here, and the factor of the 500 meter is to the scale of this image 2.5417 equal to 203.940122. Then I write the scale factor 203.940122 and enter. Then I we change the then also check this converted scale by the use of dimension. You can also change the distance of the scale by the use of scale command, and you can check the null map. The distance is 500.0121 meter. Then the map is inserted in the AutoCAD. Thank you for watching Techno Findra channel. Please subscribe and like and share.